Let's move on to non-medical, the home care folks. If you're able to bring in one patient, and that patient you care for 30 hours average per week, and you charge $25 per hour, that equals $750. And $750 times 52 weeks in a year, that's $39,000 is your income from that one patient. You multiply that by a census of 26 patients a month. If you just average 26, you care for 26 patients for a whole year. 26 patients multiplied by $39,000, that equals to $1,014,000 a year. Once again, $1 million home health business. Now, a lot of people say, well, it's hard to get patients. The reason why it's hard to get patients is because you did not create a right plan, a process. You didn't train your people to market out there. You weren't ready for that. You thought about the clinical aspect, but you didn't think about the marketing and sales aspect. So if you know an agency, or let's say you work for an agency right now that has 26 patients, that has 26 full-time home health or caregivers working for them, guess what? They're making $1 million right now. But there's a lot of home care companies out there that are generating $2 million, $3 million, $4 million, multi-million-dollar home health industries and businesses because they know how to sell. They know how to prospect. So what I just want to be able to do in this video series is to be able to give you the mindset and idea and little techniques on how to be able to grow that.